Okay, this is Vaseline 100% Pure Petroleum Jelly. So right here it comes in a container like this, kind of opaque clear, translucent, and the top is blue and it snaps open as opposed to pops open or screws open, which is kind of clever. This is the original Vaseline. They have a lot of different ones now that are scented or, you know, that are just more of something else. It has many uses, but I like to use mine on my lips as a moisturizer, kind of like a lip balm. It's kind of the same consistency as chapstick. It's like oily jelly kind of thing. I also use it in between my thighs if it's a sweaty day and there's some chafing going on. I also use it on my hairline while I'm dyeing my hair to prevent staining my skin. And I also massage it into my cuticles sometimes to kind of soften my cuticles before a manicure. It is odorless, so if you don't like scents and fragrances, then this is the way to go. It's very simple. If you don't want to go and look for some special chapstick for your lips, this really just does the trick. It's great if you have like little scrapes or anything like that, or even rashes sometimes. It's just a really good ointment to have on because it protects your skin. 3.75 ounces. So it's not super small. They do have travel size ones, like really little ones. I wouldn't carry this with me anywhere. For me, it's just a basic medium size Vaseline. They also have the huge tubs, but this is just perfect for what I need it. I don't carry this in my purse. I think it's too bulky. It's not that heavy, but it is still pretty bulky. I don't travel with this. Like I said, they also have them in tubes, and that's something I probably would take with me more than this tub. So they do make a lot of different sizes. I do keep this in my medicine cabinet. I got it about 2 months ago, but I regularly replace it. It's something I feel like I should have, and it's something that I always have. It's great if you have sensitive skin or allergies, or kids. Kids' skin is very sensitive, and a lot of the time, a lot of the products that are made now don't really work for kids' skin, but this does. This is great for toddlers. A little goes a long way. I definitely don't use this every day. I use it, when I need it. It's very easy to apply, and you can use cotton swabs or your fingers. It looks yellow, but when you put it on, it's kind of clear. It doesn't stain your skin or anything like that. So it's just kind of how it comes out. I grew up using Vaseline, so this is something that was not new to me. And as soon as I left my house, I started buying this kind of thing. And this one I got about 2 months ago, though. It's really easy to access and open because it does give a lot of room for your fingers to enter, and you're able to get into that tub a lot more easily. It's made in the USA. It's for external use only. Do not eat it. Don't let your kids near it because then they could eat it. It's introduced in 1872, and Vaseline is an American brand. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you ever think about getting Vaseline, I would look into this one. It's just really nice, compact, and it helps me every day.